Today's the big day. We are going to be unboxing all my new parts for the 2022 JLU, and I cannot wait to show you. But first, I have to wash this rig before I show you anything we're about to do. And now that she's clean, I'm ready to go over my parts for my 2022 JLU build. I can't wait to show you everything we have in store. We all know the Rubicon Edition is completely capable for that off-road trail, but I want to take it to the next level, and my friends at these different brands help hook it up. If you guys have been following us for a while, then you know I have prided myself on being a professional passenger in the side-by-side. But this time, I'm the one taking the driver's seat, and I'm the one that's going to build this vehicle and take it on the trail. I've partnered with some amazing brands on this build, and I can't wait to show you what we have in store. If you're familiar with off-roading, then you're definitely going to be familiar with the company I chose for my suspension, Tuff Country Suspensions. Something I love about this brand is that they not only have been in business for over 30 years, so they know what they're doing, but they're made in the USA. I've been lucky enough to snag a 4-inch Easy Ride suspension lift kit from them. Now there's one name in this industry everybody knows, and that's Fox. Fox Shocks is exactly who I chose for my build. I've got the 2.0 racing shocks and a steering stabilizer. That with the Tuff Country lift, everything is going to be smooth and just like it came from the factory. Not only is this build going to have a lift kit and some shocks, but tires and wheels are a must. Now the pile of tires are full of water because we just got some rain in Northern California, but I can show you this wheel. I've been lucky enough to snag a set of wheels from MetalFX Offroad. I'm about to show you their 17-inch premium cast black Rogue wheel. The 16-spoke simulated V-block wheel is going to look perfect on my build. And something more for the back of this Jeep, let me show you. On this build, I'm doing a spare tire delete, and I chose to go with the Nemesis Industries spare tire delete. Now, we already unboxed it and took it to powder coat. This did come raw, but it's going to look pretty good color match to the back of the build. I've got one more thing to show you. If you have a Rubicon Edition, then you know it comes with those red panels on the interior. Some people like them, some people don't. There's been lots of things online that show you how to paint them or even vinyl wrap them, but I found a trick that I can't wait to share with you to replace them with these OEM beauties. So this is only part of what I have in store for this build. We're going to get to work getting some of this stuff unpackaged. We can get it to the powder coater, and we'll show you what's next.